Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your email list using Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your email list using Mailchimp, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the Audience tab located on the left sidebar. In the Audience section, click on the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Select View Audiences from the options provided. If you have multiple audiences, choose the one from which you want to recover contacts. Click on Manage Contacts and then select Segments. Here, you can create a segment to identify the contacts you wish to recover. Select criteria that help narrow down your target contacts. For instance, you might choose contacts who have not opened your emails in the last 6 months. After setting your criteria, click Preview Segment to review the contacts that fit. Once satisfied, save the segment for future reference. Next, go back to the Audience section and choose All Contacts. Select the specific contacts you want to recover. You can use the saved segment to make this process easier. With the contacts selected, click on the Actions button. You can also tag them for easy identification later. Once you've made your updates, click Confirm to apply the changes. Now, it's essential to reach out to these recovered contacts. Craft a re-engagement email that encourages them to reconnect with your content. Personalize this email to make it more appealing and relevant. After drafting your email, use Mailchimp's Campaign Builder to create and send it. Monitor the responses and engagement rates through the Reports tab. Learn from the data to improve future recovery strategies. Remember to consistently clean and maintain your email list to boost engagement. Following these steps will help you effectively recover your email list using Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.